Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Ooh. Okay, so Aries, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Aries, these are your current energies, Queen of Wands and the Moon. Are you guys planning something? There is some plan which is going on in your mind. Okay, perhaps you want to take some sort of action about something in life. However, you are being you are not being very sure. You're not so sure. Knight of Wands. So we have two cards, Queen of Wands and the Moon. With this card, Queen of Wands, Aries, I feel that you are being somebody who wants to take certain action towards something. You have planned something in your heart that, okay, I have to do this thing. But I feel that there are some limitations within your life. Okay, these limitations could be because of your family, could be because of your friends, could be because of your loved ones, could be because of your colleagues, it could be because of your own mindset. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who has a negative approach towards life. All right, so somewhere your mind is stopping you to take certain action towards something, and that thing is making you really sick. And I'm also feeling this thing that most of you must be planning something, okay, or most of you are eager to take some steps towards something, but at this point of time you are not disclosing anything to anyone. Aries, I feel that when it comes to love and relationship thing, I feel that you are going to surprise your person. Okay, this could be a surprise visit, this could be some solid commitment, or I believe that I believe some of you must be planning to propose to your person. Something is there which you are not letting your person know, which you are not letting your family know. You don't want to disclose your plans, you don't want to disclose what's happening in your mind. Okay, perhaps you are waiting for something in life, only then you feel that, okay, now this thing has been done, now I have to take a step towards this person or towards this relationship. So you are hiding something. Okay, you know better what you are hiding right now. Okay, and yes, something is there in your mind, you really want to take some action, and I feel that you really want to take some solid action towards your person. Okay, so these are your current energies. This is your partner's current energy, Aries, Knight of Wands. See, are you guys on the same page? You want to take some action, but you are holding back your emotions, or you are holding back that decision. Okay, you are hiding your intentions. Okay, on the other hand, your person is also looking very eager to take certain action towards you, towards their new life. Some sort of action is definitely going to take place, but when, I don't know. This person is also looking very eager to take certain solid steps in their life, but the thing is that they have their own limitations. As I told you that you have your own limitation just because of your family, friends, loved ones, or it could be your mental state of mind. Okay, similarly, this person is also going through the same thing. They want to take action, but I don't know what is stopping them. Okay, we'll clarify why this Knight of Wands is here. This person is eager to take action. This person is like really passionate to take actions. Then why they are not doing anything? Who is stopping them, and why they are into this energy? Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands. Aries, I feel that this person is making up their mind. Okay, what I am feeling is that they wanted to offer you something earlier, or they wanted to take certain steps towards you, but they are holding back just because they want to start something new with you. Okay, for instance, if they were planning to propose you, or they were planning to date you, now they feel that no, I should not go for date, I should directly propose this person. Okay, so they really want to have something solid in this relationship with you. They really want to give you some solid commitments. They really want to start something big, and something something big with you. Okay, and I'm sensing that this person really wants to start a new life. All right, so they are just holding back their emotions. The good thing is that both of you are on the same page. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them, or how you see them and how they see you. Uh-oh, 10 of Swords. Why? Well, this could be in a good sense as well. We have got 10 of Swords. Tower. Oh. With this card, 10 of Swords, you see them as somebody who has been transformed themselves. Okay, and perhaps they want to start something new in their life. Perhaps the transformation journey has been done for them. They were somebody who was betrayed by their own loved ones, by their own fellow colleagues, by their own past relationships. Okay, so they were, their innocence is killed. Okay, their emotions has been killed or ditched by their own people, but now they have transformed. This is the reason some beginning is happening in their life with this Ace of Wands and 10 of Swords. They are no longer the same version of themselves which used to be in earlier life, or in last few months or last few weeks. Okay, so you see them as somebody, okay, this person has done a lot in their life, and this person has healed themselves, plus this person has transformed themselves like anything. All right, on the other hand, we have Tower moment. Your person thinks about you that something is ending in your life, something has ended in your life. Okay, or perhaps you are going through some kind of a drastic change in your life, in terms of your job, in terms of your career, in terms of your finances, in terms of your family things, your professional commitments, your personal commitments. So something is there, and plus they also feel that certain emotions within you that has to be end. It could be your negative emotions, it could be your it could be your negative emotions about yourself. Perhaps you are being somebody who never feels good enough. Okay, so that's the reason your person sees you as somebody who needs a lot of transformation in his life. Okay, they see that you need a drastic change in life. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other? What action you guys are taking towards each other? We have 9 of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. You are being independent. You are being self-sufficient. You are being somebody who never relies on anybody else. You are being somebody who is fortunate enough in this world that you have everything in life, be it home, be it family, be it friends, be it loved ones, be it financial abundance. All right, but deep down in your heart you feel alone. Or it could also happen that you have been through so many bad past, bad relationships. So now at this point of time you are working on yourself only. You are being somebody who don't want to be with anyone. All right, so you are enjoying your own time, you are enjoying your own company, you are enjoying your own family members. All right, so you are being very, very independent at this point of time, and seems like you don't want anyone else in terms of love, in terms of relationship. All right, now we have the King of Cups. Aries, I feel that this person wants to offer you something solid in this relationship. I told you that they want to start something new, and I feel that this person is very genuine, and they genuinely wants to offer you this King of Cups. I mean, this cup of emotion. They have emotion for you, they think about you all the time, they care about you. They must not be talking to you, or they must not be confronting their emotions to you right now, but yes, deep down in their heart they have feelings for you, they have emotions for you, and they always just they are always there for you. All right, so it seems that they want to offer you something, but again you are going through tough time. They see that this person as in you, Aries, you need to do some changes in your life. Only then this person will offer you something. I think that's the reason this person is not taking any action towards you. All right, now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Okay, time to open your heart, time to open your arms, time to open your eyes. All right, what's happening with me here? You feel that this person can turn your bitterness into sweetness. You feel that this person can change you in a good person. You feel that this relationship is for you. They are the one for you. They are being somebody who has, oh my god. Oh my god. Now let's talk about these two cards, Three of Swords in reverse and Two of Swords in reverse. Now you are working on your healing. You feel that this relationship is the one for you. They are the one for you. You want this kind of relationship in your life. You always wanted this kind of a person in your life. You are feeling loved. You are feeling valued. You are feeling respected. Okay, your person is, treating you well. Okay, so you are feeling complete happiness with them. On the other hand, your person feels in this relationship as they have met their soulmate. They feel the mutual connection with you. They feel mutual attraction with you. They feel mutual solid love with you. They feel it is a divine connection. Okay, they feel that they were waiting for you. They feel that you are like their wish come true. So again, they are also kind of very happy in this relationship. They are very happy with you. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Page of Pentacles. Seems like both of you wants to start something new in this relationship. Okay, with this Page of Pentacles, and both of you believe that the day you will come together, you are definitely going to create wonders. You have immense opportunities in front of you in your life. Okay, on the other hand, the future potential. With this card, Temperance card, I feel that sun is rising for both of you in future, and I'm definitely going to see both of you together in future. Okay, a new day has arrived, or new day will be arriving in your life very soon, Aries. Okay, if your person has not yet confronted his emotions, then they are definitely going to confront their emotion, and the reunion of both of you is going to bring a lot of love, peace, harmony and balance into your life and as well as in your partner's life. All right, now let's take some angel guidance messages for you. Let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Angel messages for Aries. Angel messages for Aries. Let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Okay. No? Why no? Let's just clarify why no. Why no? Angels, why are you saying no? Okay, I feel that angels are asking you to take action right now. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who is not taking actions. Okay, I told you in the beginning that you are being somebody who is hiding your emotions, or you are waiting for something else. But angels are asking you to take action straight away. Don't think anything right now. Just do the action. Just do the action and trust the process. Okay. Alright, so Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this moon card. Okay, we have Sagittarius in this reading with this Temperance. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. And yes, apart from that, we have another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands. Is there any? Okay. And some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Page of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles. And we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also in this reading with this 10 of Swords, 3 of Swords in reverse, 2 of Swords in reverse. Alright. Okay. So Aries, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.